Okay, we're on a bike trail at Pine Log State Forest, and we're fixing to video us down this thing here. Ready? I'm right behind you. Whoa! I'm not very steady. I'm kind of whoa! This is a big cypress swamp, all cypress trees. And then when we get on this other trail, there's going to be a bunch of roots again. Keep it up. We'll be digging splinters out of you. Whoa! Pretty woods in here. Pine trees and palmetto bushes, magnolia trees, and roots. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna turn it off before I crash.